Okay, this question is about black body radiation from thermal properties of matter. So consider the sun to be a perfect sphere, right? Perfect sphere of radius, this one, 6.8 into this. So basically radius is given 6.8 into 10 to the power 8, and from here you can get surface area. But what is the question at first? See, the energy radiated by the sun in 1 minute, not per second. General formula we know that H, which is rate of heat transfer Q by T, is equals to sigma AT to the power 4. This is the general formula. And also you can multiply with E, that is the coefficient of emission, right? But since sun is a perfectly black body, we can consider ki sun is a perfectly black body, and we know that perfectly black body, for perfectly black body, value of E is 1 and value of A is 1. Either value of E is 1 or value of A is 1. If it is like emission type black body, then E will be 1, and then formula will be modified only up to this. Okay, so after taking this formula, rate of heat transfer, here we have to calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute. So basically Q divided by in 1 minute, that means I am dividing with 60 for getting minute, 1 minute, is equals to sigma. What is sigma? Sigma means okay, sigma value is not given, but you know ki 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 is its value, and area you can get by solving this one, like 4 pi r square. Very difficult means calculation I am getting. 6.8 into 10 to the power 8 whole square, this is the value of A. Okay, so just put this value here, 4 pi into 10 to into 6.8 into 10 to the power 8 whole square, and into T to the power 4. So what is the temperature in Kelvin unit? It is 6200 whole to the power 4. I am not again going to calculation part, because you just imagine that you have to do this to the power 4. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Obviously you can do means multiply 1 by 1, 1 by 1. No other short trick for calculating this one, because the question is very simple, the theory is very simple, to put the values are also simple, only about the calculation part. And if it contains like 3 to 4 marks, in general 3 marks are given, so if it contains 3 to 4 marks, obviously means 1 marks for putting all the values, for remembering your formula, and 1 to 2 marks is only for calculation. So just think that for calculating this one only, they are offering marks. Okay, so this kind of questions are like this, and after solving this you will get Q, and per minute obviously you will get in 1 minute. Why 1 minute? Because I am putting here 60 seconds, this is why. Okay, so no problem about the answer, you will get actual answer what would be, but you need to do the calculation. I hope you have no doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.